a continuation of thermocouple and incubator. That was the last two class. Hope you don't have any doubt on that. If you are having any doubt, please contact me. Today we'll see little about the aberration of the lenses. Usually we know that all the lights, parallel lights, the lens can be used to focus to a particular point. What is this point is called as? This point is called as what? This point is called as focal point. Why it is exactly focused on this point? See, all these lines are exactly focused on this particular point. Why this is exactly focused on this point? Because of the main reason is because of the exact curvature of the lenses. Exact curvature means curving of the lens, that is exactly the same. Same means a proper curvatures, no any uh, deformities or difficulties. That means any breakages in the lens. There is no presence of any rough surfaces over here. There is only a smooth surface. So if it is exactly proper curvature, so it can exactly focus on this particular point. This point is called as focus point. Suppose if it is not a proper curvature or uh, any deformities in there on the surface of this lens, thus will causes aberration in the focusing of lens. Today's class is about the aberration of the lens. What do you mean by aberration of the lens? In an optical system such as a lens or curved mirrors, that is lens are nothing but a curved mirrors, the deviation of the light is through the lenses causes image of the object to be blurred. It will not be clear, it is a blurred image. In ideal system, every point of the object will focus to a particular focal size on the image, one particular point. Okay, if there is any deviation, this part is called as aberrations. Okay, what are the aberrations? What are the types of aberrations? Lens aberration. Number one, spherical aberrations, and this one, coma. I will tell you one by one. And third one is chromatic aberration, field curvature, barrel shape or pin cushion, and in addition, in combined barrel and pin cushion, another one is mustag, astigmatism. The third one is about this one is about astigmatism, pinwall diffraction, and last one is about diffractions. We'll see one by one, little more detail. First, what do you mean by spherical aberrations? The main reason here we'll see. What do you mean by spherical aberration? The name is the surface is not ideal shape. The surface is not an ideal shape, not in a proper curvature. Parallel beam do not focus on the same plane. Usually it should focus on a particular point. You see here, it should focus on particular point. It is not a proper curvature, not a proper curved surface. So this point is focused one in this particular area. See here, this point is focused in this particular area, the same one, this point also, the same one, the another subsequent lines, all this is focused on some other places. This is like a here focal line and horizontal manner, all these lines are formed like this. So not exactly on a one particular point, so the image will not be clear, the image will be blurred. That's why it is called as spherical aberration. So the spherical shape is not exactly spherical, the proper curvature is disturbed. This is called as spherical aberration. And number two, this is coma. What do you mean by coma? Already கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க, அந்த வால் நட்சத்திரம் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? ஸ்டார்ஸ் வந்து ஸ்டார்ஸ் இப்படி மூவ் ஆகுதுன்னா பக்கத்துல வந்து இப்படி இப்படி வால் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸ்டார்ஸை சுத்தி வால் நட்சத்திரம் சொல்லுவாங்க. That is called as comet அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. In physics we call it as comet. Cometனா வால் நட்சத்திரம் சொல்லுவாங்க. The same concept here. See, the image manifestation is ring shaped image circle creating a V-shaped lighting flare. Flare na இந்த V மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது, lighting flare. அமைக்கல, இங்க ஒரு நட்சத்திரம் போகுதுன்னா அது சுத்தி ஒரு வால் மாதிரி பெருசா ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. Occurs due to imperfection in the lens or other component that results in off-axis point source such as star appears distorted. See, same. See here, this line, this point, lens will be like this curvature is lens will be like this. So here one point, see here, and this is the central line, This one is central line. Am I clear? This is the central line, and this is number 2. This is also one focal line, number 2. See, third one is this area. This is like a lens here. So all these lines are forming like this. This one, third one, first, second, and third. Like this, it is forming like a small tiles present in the star. That is called as comet. So this is coma. Coma is nothing but a type of aberration in lens. In a star with the tail, that is comet, M-E-T, comet. Okay. And third one is chromatic aberrations. Already you know that the effect produced by the refraction of different wavelength of light through slightly different angles, resulting a failure of focus. How? Already we know that the 7 colors VIBGYOR color: violet, blue, green, indigo, the final one red. See here, this is about a violet color and this is about the red color. Am I clear? So violet and your red colors. So violet have a different wavelength when compared to your red focal length. So it can focus this particular point. So your image will be appearing like this distorted manner. Like this image will appear. Okay, this is about chromatic aberration. See here, this violet color and this one is red color. Different wavelength will have a different focus because of the irregularity in the lens that causes a different focal point for the different focal length of the different wavelength of colors. So your normally the image should be like this, but the image here is appearing like this in case of chromatic aberrations. Next one is field curvature. See here, the simple thing here, if the lens is not in a proper manner, what happened here, it is focusing like in this point, this area is focusing in this point. The same way, all these focal point will form like a curve, a arc. In this arc, it will form like a curve. This is field curve. See here, you can see the difference. This is a field curve. Here focal point like this, like this, like this. It will be appear like a curve. See, we will see here. The image plane takes the form of an arc. So the image plane, this is the actual image plane. It is formed like an arc and differ to the sensor plane, which is the flat, creating a loss of focus at the lens edge. Lens edge, sorry. Field curvature is a simple lens aberration where the sharp focus of the lens is not a curved surface, is the image space rather than a plane. Instead of plane, it will form like a curve. Object is a center and the edge of the field are never in focus simultaneously. See, this corner and the edge, it is not focused simultaneously. So both are different. Okay, this one. This is about a barrel pincushion and mustache distortions. This is the symmetry of lens in a is imperfection. Symmetry is nothing but regular periodic arrangement. See, this is the regular and periodic arranged manner that is called as symmetry of lens. This symmetry will be imperfect. See, if this is the regular and periodic arrangement. Regular and periodic arrangement means a proper line, proper distance, everything will be there. This proper line and distance will be distorted. That is called as imperfection over here. The first one is barrel shaped. See here, this one is a barrel shaped one, commonly seen on a wide angle lens where lines appear curved inward. See, this is the lines that appear curved inward. This looks like a barrel shape. See here, this looks like a barrel shape. See like this. Okay. Next one is about pincushion distortion. The exact opposite of barrel distortion. இதுக்கு opposite side இது வந்து வெளி பக்கமா bulge ஆயிருக்கு, இது வந்து உள்ள. That means we'll see with the lines appearing curved outwards. Curved வந்து வெளி side ஆ இருக்கு. See, this curved outwards appear. This is the curved inside. See, this is like a pin cushion. இங்க குத்தும் போது எல்லாமே உள்ளுக்குள்ள சுருங்கிடுது இல்லையா? The same one, pin cushion. Okay, next one. Third one is about Mustang distortion. Distortion. This type of distortion, wave distortion, that is a combination of both parallel and pin cushion distortions. Both the combined distortion. Sometimes you may have a outside curve, sometimes you may have a inside curves. This is the type of distortions. Distortions are aberrations. Okay, this one. This is about astigmatism. What do you mean by this type of astigmatism? See here, usually, see, the main reason is the proper curvature. Okay. Next, this type of okay astigmatism. This is the type of lens aberrations where images are distorted in the way that make appear twisted from the shape of original object, whether other lens would not repeat the distortions. See, astigmatism is a type of refractive errors in which the eye doesn't focus the light evenly on the retina. The result is distorted or blurred vision at all distance. Other symptoms can include eye strain, headaches will present in case of, and even trouble driving at night in case of astigmatism. How? Listen here. This is the curvature of your cornea. This is the reason. See, usually light will come over here, so it will be focusing in this one particular point. This is on the retina. Am I clear? So the proper curvature is not present here. See, this curvature it will take. If your eyeball is big larger, this area will also try to focus another point. See, the same light rays will come over here. So this will focus in this particular point. So there are two different focus. This one more focus, and this two, the second focus. Based on these two focus, you will have a two different images. So your image will be disturbed. See, in the one particular area, in another particular area. This actually it should be formed like this. The proper cornea is your cornea is not in a proper curvature mode, so it will be focused these two points. This is the reason for this astigmatism eye. But in case of astigmatism eye, how it will appear? See, usually star will be, we are seeing like a stars, it will be like this. But in case of astigmatism eye, how it will be like this? It will be like radiating stars. Here are some radiations. Radiating stars will be appear. That is called as astigmatism. See, like சன்னை சுத்திட்டு ஒரு மாதிரி ரேடியேஷன் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரி நைட் டைம்ல if you are seeing the star சுத்திட்டு அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ரேடியேட்டிங் லைட் மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். That is astigmatism in that condition. Next one is pinhole diffractions. Pinhole diffraction, it can cause a distortion in lenses mostly at a very tiny scales. Photo lenses are affected by the diffractions. This type of diffraction your lens will affect. The effect is a softening of image. These are normally found when a pinhole aperture are used when there are special type of material used in the lens making. This type of lens aberration is a little importance for the photographer. See here. See this one, pinhole optics. See, your source is there. So many parallel lines are coming from here, divergence rays. But by just adjusting the pinhole, you are getting a here images in this way. But the same way, suppose if you are using this one, images will be like this. But the clarity of image will be more here. Here you are getting a clear image, but in this case, little blurred circle. How we can confirm? இதை வந்து இன்னும் ஈஸியா கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்றது எப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, listen here. Already we have seen like this. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்த்திருப்போம் சின்ன வயசுல, கரெக்டா? ஒரு இமேஜை வந்து நார்மலா பார்க்கறதுக்கும் ஒரு சின்ன இந்த ஹோல் மூலமா இந்த ஸ்மால் ஆங்கிள் மூலமா பாத்தீங்கன்னா how this image இதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நல்ல கிளாரிட்டி தெரியும். நார்மலா இதை பார்க்கறதுக்கும் நார்மலா இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல பார்க்கறதுக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன ஹோல் மூலமா பார்க்கறதுக்கும் there are some difference. So by using this, your image will be clear. This is pinhole diffractions. The operation of lens is over. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please call me. Thank you.